This just in, guys, the SEC is suing Binance and CEO CZ for supposedly violating U.S. securities laws. We're going to talk about that today. Welcome back to the Block Cash podcast channel. Make sure to check out our sponsor, Pika Crypto. Go down into the description to the link below to find out how they are revolutionizing the intersection between gaming and blockchain. Check out their website. Check out their Telegram community. Also, check out our chart analysis on Patreon Monday through Friday. Support us there. Would really appreciate it, guys. All right, so what the hell is going on today? So now news is breaking. The SEC is going after Binance. Are we surprised? Probably not. But more than less, we still have to talk about it. So in an article on Watcher Guru, the SEC, it states that the SEC is suing Binance and CEO CZ for securities laws violations. Moreover, the lawsuit follows previous legal action taken against the company by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. And Bloomberg initially reported the lawsuit with the regulator accusing the exchange of mishandling customer funds. And additionally, the regulator accused the exchange of lying to both regulators and investors regarding its operations. Lying. Okay. I don't know. I think some of this might be a stretch, but let's hear it out. So in a case that has certainly rocked the industry today, the SEC has sued Binance and its CEO. Specifically, the lawsuit is centered around the usage of customer funds and the reported lies the exchange told regulators and investors. Well, lies can be argued in court if it is a lie or not. SEC claimed Binance misused billions of dollars in customer funds. Define misuse, by their definition of what a security is. It's stupid. Those funds were allegedly sent to a separate company that is owned by CZ. Moreover, these charges also include lies that the company told investors regarding its business. These lies reportedly center around adequate systems in place for the detection of manipulative trading. Regulators also state that Binance did not do enough to keep U.S. investors from gaining access to the platform. To keep U.S. investors, God, the SEC really wants to just kill everything in the U.S. It's ridiculous. The developing story follows previous rumors of a new CEO at the exchange. Nevertheless, the largest crypto exchange by trading volume has been under increasing pressure from regulatory agencies. Still, the Justice Department is currently observing the exchange for allegations of money laundering practices. We all know this is bullshit. Come on. CZ is like a god in the crypto space, and he is like the closest thing to Satoshi to worship in this space. It is ridiculous. It is absolutely ridiculous that the SEC is doing this. And, enough is enough. Someone needs to do something. Like Coinbase is out there trying to garner support on Capitol Hill and get laws passed and is, inquiring and fighting back against the SEC. But Jesus, seriously? It is absolutely ridiculous. At some point, something needs to be done or the SEC really is going to kill the industry in the U.S. I mean, look at the markets today. It's horrific. Look at this shit. This is Stellar. This is HBAR. This is Ethereum. This is Bitcoin. Look at this. It's ridiculous. Let's go to the daily. One thing I don't understand is how people just sell the fucking pot when there's news like this, but they don't really take a step back to breathe. Seriously? Everything is just constantly getting wiped out because of bullshit. Look at these wicks. We make all this progress and then dump. Make all this progress, then dump. Guys, seriously, if you're out there, XRP, holding strong up there. Much better than most of the market. It's kind of funny. Filecoin, hammered. Uniswap, don't know what the fuck Uniswap's doing. This is Bittrex. I need to get a different chart for Uniswap. Just look at Bitcoin, for example. This is ridiculous. Bitcoin's still in play. I thought 25,000 might be an area that it could get to before it really starts to go back up. But seriously, this is ridiculous. You guys look at this like it's Armageddon. Armageddon. Like it's an Armageddon, end of the world type of event. Come on now. You guys don't need to just panic sell every time you see news. I don't know who's selling. We've had nothing but sell activity for the last year. We've had one good month, January, maybe half a month in February. For the most part, maybe a little bit at the end of March. But seriously, guys? Okay, so number one, just in my opinion, this is absolute bullshit. This is not something that needs to be of concern to people. All right, it's a lawsuit is a lawsuit. That is not a damnation to hell. The SEC is going to lose that battle. Do you want to know why? Because Binance is one of the biggest fucking exchanges in the world. They are, number one. They have billions of dollars at their disposal and the smartest people in the space working for them. Do you really think the SEC is going to win this? That's number one. Number two, you guys have to stop with the panic selling. Again, this is not helpful for the market. If you're a retail investor, I sure hope this isn't you right now. It's not helpful to anybody. You need to calm down. And if it's not the retail investors doing this, then it's obviously a market manipulation to the downside. You know, at some point, it becomes absolutely stupid to watch this and know that that is how the market's reacting to really dumb news. All right, it sounds scary on paper, but it really isn't. That is my take. You guys need to calm down out there. Bitcoin's not going to zero, so stop acting like you got to sell it to zero. The SEC is not going to win shit against Binance. Come on, let's be realistic. The SEC can't even take down Ripple. There's a lot more there with Ripple. Look, I like Ripple. I like XRP, and there's a lot more to argue for there. There's nothing to argue against with Binance. Like, come on. I will be shocked if Binance is doing all these illegal things and CZ is behind it. Do you trust the SEC? Do you really believe that they have your best interest in mind, this industry's best interest in mind? Take it with less than a grain of salt. That is my take today, guys. Chill out. Mondays are Mondays. Dumps are dumps. Pumps are pumps. It is what it is. All right. Like the video. Comment your thoughts down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have already, really do appreciate it, guys. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.